Standing as a majestic link across the Garonne River, the Pont de Pierre in Bordeaux is not just a bridge. It is a living symbol of unity and progress that has endured for centuries. Built during the reign of Napoleon I and completed in 1822, the Pont de Pierre reflects an era of grand ambition. Designed by engineers Deschamps and Billaudel, it was a groundbreaking project for its time, a marvel of both vision and technique. Stretching an impressive 486 meters, the bridge's 17 elegant arches rest on 16 piers, each carefully constructed to withstand the Garonne River's strong currents. It is a masterpiece of 19th-century engineering. Though initially named Pont Louis XVIII to honor the French monarch, the people of Bordeaux quickly adopted the name Pont de Pierre, or Stone Bridge, a nod to its solid and enduring construction. As the first bridge to connect both banks of the Garonne, the Pont de Pierre was pivotal in shaping the city's growth, enhancing trade, transportation, and unifying its people. Now closed to automobile traffic, the Pont de Pierre serves as a peaceful promenade. Pedestrians and cyclists stroll along its historic path, enjoying its serene charm and breathtaking views. Overlooking the Port of the Moon, the bridge is not just a functional structure but a cherished landmark, offering a picturesque backdrop for anyone exploring Bordeaux's vibrant history and culture. As time takes its toll, efforts to preserve this historic icon continue. Scheduled reinforcement in 2025 ensures that future generations can experience its grandeur as the people of Bordeaux do today. For over 2 centuries, the Pont de Pierre has been more than just a crossing. It is a monument to Bordeaux's resilience, ingenuity, and its enduring connection to its past. The Pont de Pierre stands as a silent witness to history, a bridge not just of stone but of time. It connects eras, people, and stories, reminding us of the timeless beauty of human achievement